So this is from the chapter Quadratic Equation, exercise 4.3, question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. So what is asking? You are asking to find the roots of the following quadratic equation. Here 4 quadratic equations are given here. You have to find their roots if they exist. So we have to check it whether it is exists or not. If exists, we will find their roots. By what method? By the method of completing the square. So we have to use the method completing the square. So question number 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Question number 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So first we have to check whether it is exists or not according to the question. So here to check we need to take out what is the a value. Quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is 2, b value is bx, b value is minus 7, and c value plus c value is 3. So to exist or not, we have to find a discriminant of it. Discriminant of means b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant of a quadratic equation. So we'll find this value, whose value b square minus 4ac's value. So what is the b value here? Minus 7 minus 4ac. A value is 2, c value is 3, and we'll find its value now. B square minus 4ac. 7 square is minus 7 square is 7 7 is 49, negative is positive, it will be plus 49. 4ac, let us multiply. 4 3 is 12, 4 12, 12 2 is 24, it will be minus 24. So 49 minus 24, you will get 25, and you check it, 25 is greater than 0. That means b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. Therefore this quadratic equation is exists. It is exists. Okay, so since it is exists, now we can find the root of this quadratic equation. So to find the root of this quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. So let us take the equation first. 2x square. Now since it is exists, we will try to solve it. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. You know there is a completing square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another square formula is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what you will do here is, since it is asking to use the completing square method, so we have to use either this formula or this formula. So we'll turn this expression either in this form or in this form, then we'll make it complete square. This is it should be our plan. We'll turn this expression either in this form or in this form, then we'll turn in this form to get a complete square, since it is asking to use complete square. So here is minus 2ab, here is minus, so it can be formed this format. So we'll turn in this format. So let us make it let us make the expression simple. So if we divided by 2 both sides, then what we'll get? 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. This side is also divided by 2. This side is also divided by 2. I'll show you one solution in details. The rest you have to do homework. It can be written as 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2, and 0 by 2 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. Next, 2 divided by 2, it will be x square. Because it cannot make a complete square number, so we remove this 2. That's why we divided by 2. In this way, with what number we should divide, you should know it. Here is 2. We should remove this 2 to make it complete square. That's why it is divided by 2. Okay, minus 7 by 2, x is remain by same, plus 3 by 2 is remaining same. Now we can make it a square. So it can form a complete square number. Minus 2ab. Here it should come the format 2ab. Here who is forming a? What is the a value here? X. So 2ab. And b value, what will be the b value? Need to adjust. We need to adjust. So the b value will be here. You have to put the b value such a way, after calculate this form, you should get 7 by 2x. You should get it. So what should I put? If I put here 7 by 4, these things you have to adjust. If I put here 7 by 4, then what we can get? 2 goes for 2 times. 7 by 2 into x, we will get this value. Only if I put 7 by 4. So you have to adjust this b value. So it should be 7 by 4. So that if after reduce and multiply, we get 7 by 2x. So what we got now? It is a square. It is 2ab. And by to adjust to the formula, 2ab plus b square. So here it should come b square. What is the b square? 7 by 4 is the b value. 2ab. b value is 7 by 4. It's a b value. And one thing you check it, whether this is same to this or not. Yes, this is same to this. This value is, after calculation, it is same to this. But this value is not same to this. So what we should do, since this value is not same to this and it is not in this line, so what we will do, the same value will reduce it. 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square, so that it gives a 0 value. Since this value is not here, so we should make it 0. And plus 3 by 2 is remaining same, and equal to 0 is also remaining same. So you have to be careful while making this. And now you check it, this is exactly in the form of formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for this part, we can make a complete square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. For this part, we can write like this. And this part, you take outside the equal. This is 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16. 49 by 16 I am taking to the right side, and this negative becomes positive. And this is minus 3 by 2 since I took to the right side. Again it implies x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, so let me calculate these things in a rough. 16 and 2, the LCM will be 16. 16 divides 16 1 into 49, it will be 49, minus 2 divides 16 8 times, 8 into 3 24. So what we can get, 49, that is 5 2, 25 by 16, we get 25 by 16. Now I'm trying to remove this square. To remove this square, both sides taking square root, and square root of this x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus root over 25 by 16. So now we have to get the x value, since we need to find a root. So what we can write, x equal to get the x value, we'll separate the x, this value will take to the right side, it will be positive 7 by 4 plus minus, actually root over 25 by 16, root 25 is 5 and root 16 is 4, it will be 5 by 4. There is no space, let me go to the next side. X is equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. So what we got, x equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. Again it implies x equal to, let us calculate, there is two cases, one is 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, or another case is 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, because there is plus minus, one is in case of plus, another is in case of minus. So from here we get 4 by 7 plus 5, and which gives 12 by 4, and which give 4 to 12, the answer 3. On the other hand, from here what we get, the LCM will be 4, it will be directly 7 minus 5, since both the denominator are same, and it will be 2 by 4, after deduction 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, you will get 1 by 2. So this is the x value and this is also the x value. We got two roots, therefore the roots are, it is asking you to find the roots are, one is 3 and another is 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2. This is the solution.